implementing SoD often requires a review of your user roles, and Strongpoint has tools for both reviewing it ahead of SoD implementation and also doing access reviews on an ongoing basis in a way that makes it massively more efficient than the way people conventionally do it. So in addition to having a library of over 140 rules, we also have an integration at the employee record that allows you to, in fact, set up rules that completely block certain types of access. And the typical one we see is blocking admin access. So this, right now, any admin can give anybody else admin access. In a Strongpoint system, that's no longer true. If somebody tries to give the admin access to John Smith here, it's going to catch it and we can make a blocking rule. For most SoD violations, you wouldn't put a blocking rule in place. You would simply put a warning rule in place, and the person would be warned. They would be able to preview the violation and warned, and the information would show up right on the employee record, and it would be logged and cleared.